and I may need to spend the rest of my life seeking for love. Last year, I was at a small bar. That's the first time I saw her. I didn't go inside. Instead, I stood outside and watched her for about 5 minutes. Of course, she didn't know this. I can still recall my thoughts at that moment. I have to meet her. I have to go inside, buy her a drink, and get her number tonight. I know exactly what I was thinking. I knew she's the one. But I have no idea how to approach her or what to say to impress her. She's so pretty. I was scared to make any mistakes. Trust me, I was really afraid of screwing it all up.
I got it. So today, you did it.
Yeah, I hope so. And I think I will make it.
What? Is he saying that he hasn't made it yet?
Lin, you really disappointed us. You were the most outstanding star player, and you haven't won your love. Unbelievable.
It's heartbreaking to know that.
你快说出真相算了，人家明显是不会放过你的。要再这样下去，估计全场都得疯。
To be honest, tonight's rating is all relying on you.
Yes, you left us cruelly that time. Now you must give us something for everyone here.
Well, what can I even say? She's so perfect. And I may need to spend the rest of my life seeking for love. So, I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry at all.
Thanks so much, old pal. Let's have a drink after the game. It's on me. Don't worry.
天啊，真的太感动了，我都要哭了。
All right, okay. Now let's give our girls some privacy, because after all, our game is about to begin. Thank you, Lin, for coming and for not forgetting us.
冷静下来了吗？等一会儿还得比赛。哎，我下场可要好好加油。你这呀，刚被当众表白完，自己火力全开呀。哎呀。
杨哥，刚
干嘛不承认那是你女朋友啊？虽然说追不到更浪漫吧。
这个是直播，国内也能看得见。
看到就看到了呗。
他家里人还不知道我们谈恋爱呢。
啊，你没趁你夺冠去见家长啊？
等再拿几个冠军吧，更有底气。
不愧是杨哥，
是他的错。
Everyone, our women quarterfinal is about to start. Now entering the stadium is Yin Guo from China and Su Wei from Singapore.
Our first winner in the quarterfinal is Yin Guo from China.
你这影响拿下，是吧？